Today in this video I am gonna explain how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy Tab S7 FE. Press and hold the power button and volume down button simultaneously. To disable the device, after powering off, press and hold the volume up button and the power key simultaneously. You will enter the recovery mode menu. Use the volume rocker to navigate and select the wipe data or factory reset procedure. Press the power key to accept this selection. Navigate to and select the factory data reset section to confirm the operation. Wait for the factory reset process to complete. After the factory reset is complete, select Reboot System Now to turn on the tablet. You have successfully performed a hard reset operation. After the reset is complete, your phone will be entirely reset back to its original state when you first purchased it. Follow any on-screen instructions to set up your device anew. If this video helped you out, please leave a like and comment down below. If this worked for you, thanks for watching.